Hi, children, and today we are going to play a little game. It's going to be a guessing game. But it's not any ordinary guessing game, you know. It's the Trinidad Rhythm Section Edition guessing game. Auntie Michaela will play a few songs for you, and you will have to guess each song. Do you think you could do that? But before you play this game, you first need to know what is a rhythm section. A rhythm section, also called a backup band, is a group of musicians within the music ensemble or band that provides the underlying rhythm. To make simple, a rhythm section is just a group of people or a band that plays instruments that supply rhythm rather than harmony or melody. Here's a short example of your rhythm section from Trinidad and Tobago. Did anyone notice that there were no one singing in the background? So, the goal of a rhythm section is simply to give us different beats and sounds that comes from various instruments. So now that we know what a rhythm section is, I think that we are ready to play this guessing game. First, I'm going to play a few of the instruments that were played in the video earlier. Then you'll pause, put on your thinking caps, and you're going to tell me what you think that song is. Keep in mind, most of these songs are common household items or things that you could find outside. When you see the air appear on your screen, you need to pay attention, put on your thinking caps, and be very quiet. Bamboo sticks, wood blocks, grater, bottle and spoon, tire rim, Now let's be very quiet and listen. Allow your child to identify if the sound is loud or soft and then give the answer. If you said bottle and spoon, give yourself a clap. Good job. If you said greater, give yourself another clap. Good job, guys. Oh, that one was a tricky one. But did you guess it was the bamboo sticks? You did? Good job! And did you say wood blocks? You did? Give yourself a clap. You all are so smart. And that's our last song. That's the theorem. And all together, they make the most harmonic beats.